Childhood memories of the Korean War. I'm told it's a country without light, a place where sadness and darkness are the same thing, although it takes some time to realize the connection is only coincidental, since sadness demands sleep, and sleep never comes, except when it's too late, when the throat gurgles and rattles and smells like nail polish remover, acetone, death's breath. I'm told light is important to heroes. They think they were born in it or revealed by it. They assume they'll chase it all their lives. But sometimes sunniness seems to digest them with its own acids and enzymes, and they disappear in the same dazzling room where ginger ale is drunk and saltines are eaten and news is waited for in a semicircle of hard chairs.